Optimizing Trello for project management involves customizing its features to streamline task organization, team collaboration, and progress tracking. Here's how to make Trello work efficiently for your projects. Set up an organized board. Create a board with clear lists that represent stages in your workflow. Add cards for tasks, assigning descriptive titles and details to outline each task clearly. Use labels and checklists. Add labels to categorize tasks by priority, type, or department. Use checklists within cards to break down tasks into smaller, actionable steps. Assign members and due dates. Assign team members to cards to ensure accountability. Set due dates to establish deadlines and use reminders to keep tasks on track. Enable power-ups. Integrate useful power-ups like Calendar for timeline visualization, Butler for automation, or Google Drive for document attachment. Monitor progress. Use card filters to focus on specific tasks or team members. Archive completed cards to declutter the board. Automate repetitive tasks. Utilize Butler for automation, such as moving cards when due dates approach or creating recurring tasks.